How to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later issue. So if you're facing a problem with Telegram too many attempts, please try again later. And if you want to fix that problem, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, now you need to search for Telegram. On the Telegram, simply press and hold on to that Telegram application. Go with the app info. Once you're on the app info, now you need to go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. Once you clear your cache, now your problem may be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Telegram. Once you search here, you may have an update option. If you have any updates, then you can simply go with update and update your Telegram application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last and the only way you can do is you can open up your mail. Once you open up your mail, now you need to go and compose a mail. So you need to go with the account, which is support@telegram.org, and then enter the subject, and you need to write that I'm facing problems with my Telegram. Under subject, you need to write support with account and then enter your problem. And once you've entered, you need to go with send, and once you've sent, your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later issue. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.